Today we will explore the Mukteshwar temple. It is located near the popular Kedargauri temple of Old Town area of Bhubaneswar. Scholars believe that it was built around 950 AD. This temple complex is maintained very well by the Archaeological Survey of India. This arch gate is unique to this temple only. This arch is projected as the cultural emblem of Orissa. This low enclosure wall, as you can see, is fully sculptured. These niches have Ganesh, Kartikeya, Chamunda, Parvati, Lakulisha, Surya and some fantastic motifs like figure of 4 men with only 2 hands, 4 arms and 4 legs. The design in the crowning part is called Chaitya design and they contain human and leonine faces. In spite of its small dimensions, the temple is acclaimed as the gem of Odishan architecture. Every inch of the surface is carved. This is Indra at the top of the entrance to the temple. Below is a highly ornate half circular step. The side wall of the door is a typical Kalinga door jamb with 3 layers carving. In the middle row, we find a dwarf man climbing a creeper. We take a circle around the temple and we find almost all the motifs found in a Kalinga temple, most prominent being lion crushing elephant, Naga and Nagi at regular intervals. Apart from the motifs, their decorative patterns are some of the very best you would ever see anywhere in the world. This figure is called Bharabahaka, found at the top of every corner. The diamond-shaped lattice window is for lighting inside. The outermost frame of the window depicts part of a story from the Panchatantra involving monkeys and crocodile. Monkey in the clutch of a crab, helping companions in their distress, on the back of a crocodile, picking up lice from the hairs of another, etc. Almost all the female faces are broken. According to not so reliable source Madala Panji, the temple chronicle of the Jagannath temple Puri, they were defaced by the Islamic invader. The side faces of the central projection of the temple are each carved with a warrior, a tall, strong, athletic woman in enchanting animation, fighting from the back of a lion or a griffin. A lady standing at a half-open door is a popular motif found in Kalingan temple. But this temple has got them all over body of the entire structure. This motif, known as Bho, is found in numerous Kalinga temples, but nowhere it is so finished in details, so fluent in design. This is a typical Kalinga Natraj holding the snake in his upper hands. This temple has remarkable sculptural treatment of the interior. High-level artistic skill is displayed in the arrangement of figures of Sapta Matrukas and Veerabhadra in the center of the ceiling in 8 lotus petals. There is also a rare dancing Ganesh and Kartikeya along with some other beautiful figures. This well, known as Morichi Kunda, is closely associated with the temple. The water of this well is believed to cure barrenness of women if used on the day of Asokashtami. The water is auctioned on that day and the first bucket goes for a whipping figure. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Please like, share and subscribe our channel Utkala Garima.